So Barry, we're here talking about push to paint. It's something in our shop that we kind of default to first. So our first method of repair will be push to paint.
Sure.
And to see how far we can get it. There is a lot of stuff that comes along with it.
Yeah.
Let's go over some of this stuff.
Sure. So, and Chris, we like you that we try to make this a default. So the first one, and it's mainly because it's less intrusive. It narrows down the repair area. So, if you have a, just use example, you have a dent that's this size and you can isolate it down to something here. It's less intrusive, but you don't have any backside, the corrosion issues. That you make a repair that's better for the vehicle. It doesn't always work that way. It's not like in all cases you're going to get it completely flat and without any the distortion. But different variables, and there's different tooling, and there's different, so like in this case, there's several different types of glue. Each glue, each tab, I think you got some tabs there too, they have a different application. So you got to know the product, and you got to know what it does. But I think you've got some larger ones there. These are the smaller pens, but
so the tons of stuff, right? So you've got larger, more defined, more smaller ones for more like smaller repairs. I mean, almost like think of it like a PDR kind of thing, getting really close to that. You've got the bridges, the pull towers,
glue guns, yeah,
glue guns. Mm-hmm. And then also too, it's not just, it can be used for steel and for aluminum, right? So it fits all types of different types of repairs.
Yeah, the way that we view it is this is another tool in our toolbox, right? So these are different. Each application, each one of these tools, and each one of these consumables is used for a different application. I think what a lot of folks don't realize is the amount of consumables that you use, and the cost of that gets very pricey, right? And so from a reimbursement aspect, you have to think these aren't going to last long, right? That they may last a month, they could last 6 months. It just depends on how much that you're using it.
And aside from just the glue, also you've got your cleaners, your isolene, your propylene, your rubbing alcohol stuff, all stuff that you need to be using and thinking of when you're building for it.
If you found today's tip helpful, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share the video. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by SCRS. If you aren't currently a member, I encourage you to join. Visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.